Welcome back to the channel. What is the one thing that people complain about with e-bikes? Without a question, it's weight, guys, and that's because it has a motor, it's got a battery, it has a controller, it's got extra wiring, a frame that can handle those things. So it's gonna be heavier than a traditional bike, right? Well, not anymore. Introducing an all carbon fiber e-bike by Urtopia. This is the Urtopia Fold 1. We're gonna talk about that in today's video. It's gonna blow you away. Let's go. All right, so we've got the Urtopia Fold here. When I first saw this e-bike, I was at the Consumer Electronics Show. I was testing out a bunch of bikes. I was checking them out, and I came across this one, and the first thing they said to me was lift it up. So I did. I just went over there and I lifted it up, and then I was like, what the heck is going on? This bike is an electric bike. I mean, it is that light. I'm not the strongest guy in the world, guys, and I'm able to lift that up over my head with one hand. It's 29 pounds. And it folds down. So for traveling, this is the ultimate e-bike. To be able to fold it down and literally lift it up into your car, into your SUV, or back of your truck really easily, just like that. Let me show you really quick. It just folds down, little latch right here. It literally just opens right up, just like that, and you fold it. All right, that's step one. The pedals also kick in, which is really nice. There's a magnet right here which keeps it together, which I also like, and then this folds down as well. And ultimately, guys, this isn't much bigger than the size of a carry-on in your suitcase for an aircraft. I mean, just super easy to transport, which I really appreciate as well. As you can see, you can just keep it together like that. Just a small little e-bike that you can fold up really nice. But when I say small, I don't mean that it's only for kids, guys. This thing can handle 200 pounds. I'm about 200 pounds, and I rode this just fine out there on the trails. But again, you just snap that in place, quickly snap this in place, and you're literally ready to go, just like that. No problems whatsoever. Boom, just like that. And there's a pedal. Again, the pedals fold in as well to make it that much smaller, which I didn't do, which you certainly should do when you're folding it because you can get it so small. And you're ready to ride. Just like that. I folded it up and unfolded it, and now I'm ready to ride. So let's get on the road, test this thing out. Like I mentioned, it says it's advertised about a 40-mile range. I haven't tested the full range of this yet, but I'm going to. I'm definitely going to be out here for a little while testing this thing out. As far as speed goes, guys, this has got some pretty good speed too, and it's because it's such a light frame. You can get up to pretty good speeds. I haven't tested the full maximum speed on this trail because my drone can't keep up with me, but I'm able to get about 20 miles an hour without losing a beat, without even really breaking a sweat at all, which I appreciate as well. Of course, I'm in the boost level, so I'm going to get a little bit extra help compared to some others. The battery in this thing is actually housed right here in the seat post, so it's a little bit unique. So it is removable because you've got your little handle right here, and you can just pull it out, unplug from the bottom and just pull it out of your bike. Makes it that much lighter for transport. Bring it inside in the winter if you want to. But such a small little bike like this, as light as it is, it's pretty easy to just take it in the house or in your office if you're taking it to work. This really is the ultimate bike for a commuter, without a doubt, because you could bring this in. Say you're working downtown, you could bring it in, stick it under your desk. Nobody would even know it's there. It's so small, which I appreciate. This thing has advertised anywhere from 5'1" to 6'1". Again, I'm about 6 feet tall, and as far as size for me, I would say this is probably at the highest setting because, again, I'm 6 feet, my feet barely hit the ground, so I could probably raise it up just a little bit more than that. But surprisingly, a full-size 200-pound adult, 6 foot like myself, can ride this thing no problem at a 29-pound e-bike. I have to repeat that multiple times because it's impressive. Using a carbon fiber frame is the key, and usually they're very, very expensive. This e-bike right here, the last time I saw it was around $1,600, which is priced really good considering what you get, because most of the ones like this I've seen are $3,000, $4,000. So you're saving a little bit of money going with this company right here. They do have other e-bikes as well, some smart e-bikes with some features with AI built into the panel themselves, so make sure you check out their website. I'll put links to this down in the description section as well as their whole website so you can see all the bikes that they offer. I'm hoping to get one of their smart AI e-bikes because I think that's a pretty cool feature to be able to just ask where their nearest gas station is or the library. How do I find the library? It'll take you there, make phone calls, all that stuff. And obviously, nowadays you can do that with your phones. You have integrated smart helmets that you could do, put a phone mount on your bike, and you could do some of the same stuff, but it's kind of neat that it's built in to an e-bike. And so I'm going to be checking out some of their other e-bikes as well. This one does not have that. This is really all designed about portability. If you're going camping and you want to bring this on the campgrounds, you could easily throw this underneath your RV and take it with you. It's actually more convenient than some of the scooters out there, with all the features of having a real bike. Get some exercise, and then get some help if you need it to get up those hills. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. This was a fun one. When I saw this at the Consumer Electronics Show this year, I had to get it and bring it to you as quickly as possible. Again, this is the Urtopia Fold 1. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna get back on the trails and test it out some more. Stay to the end if you wanna see more riding scenes on this, because I'm gonna be out there for quite a bit. It's a beautiful day today. Spring's finally coming, and I can't wait to test this out some more. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again, bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.